In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix controller pressing keyboard keys on PC Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you notice that when you are using your controller inside of Fortnite or any other game, the keys are being pressed twice, or you see keyboard inputs going out, it's usually because Steam is running on the background. So for this video, I'm going to assume that your problem is originating from Steam. If you aren't running Steam on the background and you are still getting this problem, then sadly, I'm not going to have a solution. However, if you have Steam on the background, what's going to happen is that Steam is going to pick up your controller and it's going to use Steam input to automatically try to set it up. However, when it tries to use Steam input, it can create conflicts with other games. To fix this, click on Steam at the top left and then go over to the settings. When you access the Steam settings, you will have plenty of categories, and one of them is going to be controller. Now choose controller, and what you have to do here is go down to desktop layout. So you will have the edit option and then this button to reset. What I recommend is that you go into edit for desktop layout. Now, for me, Steam input is disabled on the desktop layout, and this issue does not happen. But for you, it might be the opposite. Sometimes this issue happens when it is disabled, so if it is happening, then all that you would have to do is enable it. If you notice that yours was enabled, so you see this menu with the button layout and everything, you just disable it instead. I recommend disabling it, and usually this will fix the issue for you, but like I said, it might be the opposite. If you notice that it works for you while it is enabled, then what I recommend is that you choose this standard gamepad layout. And once you choose it here, it is going to be saved into your controller and you will be good to go. So try this with the desktop layout with Steam input enabled or disabled, and the issue should go away. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix controller pressing keyboard keys on PC Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.